Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. It's a food video and I'm hungry and it's late. So let's get into this. By the way, I do upload every other Wednesday. Sometimes it's not on a Wednesday. Well, no, always on a Wednesday, but you know, sometimes I do food videos. Sometimes I do get ready with me. It depends on the day. It depends on the schedule of the month. Anyways, it's always on a Wednesday. I do food videos. Now let's get into this. This is BB.q chicken. They have a whole bunch of chains restaurants throughout the US of Korean fried chicken. And this is their new flavor. This is the maple crunch boneless. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks so good right now. So good right now. Let me get you the flavor points. All right. This is a juicy boneless thigh covered in premium maple syrup and rich butter sauce. Is on the sweeter side, not like other Korean fried chickens, which is more on the soy sauce, savory flavor or spicy flavor. I did mix a spicy sauce with chipotle aioli and some hot sauce just to see if it gets a little spicy, if it tastes well spicy. I am so sorry if you can hear my cat. I can hear him. He's louder in person, trust me. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Tasting a little honey. I'm tasting the maple syrup and butter automatically. But it has a honey aftertaste. When I thought of this, I'm like, oh, chicken and waffles. But it's better. Well, obviously it can't beat an actual waffle. But it's really, really good. It is juicy. And our crunch is so good. This is my first time having Korean fried chicken. Orange soda. Alright, here's my little mixture that I made. The sauce that I made. Let's dump it in there. Let me go this one. Ooh. A little dump action for you guys. I didn't taste the spice. I tasted more sweet. It just tasted more savory. So I put more on. It's more savory because of the chipotle. But it has like a little kick with the hot sauce. That's a good mix. That's a good mix. That's a big piece. Trying to get little pieces. left is big pieces. I'm trying to get little ass pieces. There we go. Little piece. Overall, if you like chicken and waffles and you like a little bit of the maple syrup on your chicken, this is the one for you. If you're okay with a little sweeter side of Korean chicken, not the original stuff, this one is for you. Late night, I knew this. That's it for this eating video. My review on this chicken is that it tastes so good. Definitely get like their spicy sauce or anything. I was like, I'm gonna make my own spicy sauce. But get some spicy sauce if you want like a little variation. The spice, some sweetness, some spice, some sweetness. But overall, they're really good. Look how much I have left. I think we got 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7. And I ate like 4 or 5. I don't know. Anyways, good food. Good food. That's it for this video. Video right here, head right here, and always check the description box. Get in contact with me, and also I actually have stuff to sell at Macari, so check it out. And yeah, stay safe and eat well.